I'm Jeff Huffman with an update on this winter storm, a rare event for the panhandle of Florida. It's been since 1989. There's been measurable snow in Tallahassee. We may not actually get snow with this storm system across much of these areas, but ice is a concern. Winter storm warnings in effect for the entire panhandle, extreme northern Florida near the Georgia border, stretching up into Georgia, South Carolina, Savannah under an ice storm warning. It's very possible we could have a few more counties here in North Florida added to a winter weather advisory for lesser amounts of frozen precip. Here's the overview. The cold air starts to arrive on Tuesday. There'll be an incredible contrast from central and south Florida, 70s and 80s, North Florida and the panhandle, 30s and 40s. The initial front will have a few showers with it, but it's the moisture that'll come in behind the storm thanks to an area of low pressure moving out of the Gulf. That's what's going to give us widespread precip. Tuesday night and Wednesday morning is when conditions will go downhill across the panhandle, and then Wednesday morning there could be a little frozen precip down to about Lake City and Jacksonville briefly before it ends Wednesday afternoon. Then high pressure builds in and a nice big warm-up is on the way Thursday. So whatever does stick to the ground up in the panhandle will only stick around for a few hours, which is typically the case here in the Sunshine State. Not a whole lot of sun though the next 2 days. Here's future track. The precipitation, look at it overspreading the entire panhandle by 2 o'clock, but there's the freezing line. It stays just to the north initially and then starts to move south Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. And a little pink showing up here for Valdosta and Jacksonville, but mainly rain from Gainesville southward. And by the way, that rain will linger for central Florida through Wednesday night as another area of low pressure develops. Here's a look at the snowfall amounts. Most of this will be just north of the state, but there will be some light glazing of ice for those areas in pink, possibly some slick spots on bridges and overpasses Wednesday morning.